An empty building, a live power meter, and a court order that refuses to disappear. Ukraine's embassy in Moscow, abandoned since diplomatic ties were severed in 2022, has now been fined 5.5 million rubles for unpaid electricity bills. A silent compound, but a very loud reminder. War may freeze diplomacy, but it does not erase liabilities. This is not about lights left on. This is about a state leaving behind unfinished business. A Moscow court has ruled that the Ukrainian embassy owes roughly $71,000 in unpaid power dues. No diplomats, no flags, no official presence, yet the bills kept running and the penalties kept stacking up. The embassy stands empty, but the obligations remain active, exposing the bureaucratic aftershocks of a clean diplomatic break that was anything but clean in practice. Kyiv unilaterally cut ties with Moscow in 2022, shutting embassies and consulates overnight. Since then, both missions have stood locked and lifeless. But this ruling underlines a harsher reality. State decisions carry costs long after doors are closed. Even in total political rupture, contracts, utilities, and courts continue to function relentlessly. Russian authorities frame the fine as a straightforward commercial dispute, not a political act. Electricity was supplied, payments were not made, and penalties followed. In legal terms, it's routine. In geopolitical terms, it's symbolic. Another unresolved fragment of a broken relationship frozen in conflict. A vacant embassy fined for power it no longer uses has become a metaphor for wartime dysfunction. Diplomacy severed, buildings abandoned, but accountability still knocking. In this war of narratives, even an unpaid electricity bill is now part of the story.